Yeah, there's a butter. Yeah, I want this bird in my compound. It's beautiful. Yeah, so soon I'll be showing you how my farm is growing, and I hope you will order some from me some months coming. Yeah, my subscribers, continue watching my videos and enjoy the new introduction of farming of turkey in my farm. Yeah, thank you. Today I visit. Hi, my viewers. My name is Bobby Smith, Kenya. Yes, I'm starting a new project. I've just decided to buy a new bird in my farm. It's called turkey. So a farmer has given me two. Yeah. So just want to upgrade my farm. So today I'm starting a new farming. I'm introducing a new bird in my farm called turkey. So please, my viewers, pray for me to grow my farm. Yeah. So after some days, I will call you to show you how my turkeys are moving on. Thank you, my subscribers. Continue watching my content. My name is Bobby Smith, Kenya. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends where you are. My name is Bobby Smith, Kenya. Born and raised in Kabobo Village, Migori County, Kenya, Africa. Yes, I'm here in the site of the gold site in Migori. I'm trying, there's some bags here I bought, so I want to increase to my site. So let me confirm to you and see. Hello. Yeah, so there are some bags here I bought, so I want to give them in the site and put it in the way which they will be moving the soil from the ground, putting it inside. Yes, it's quite deep. Let me zoom it for you. We are using a machine called digger. Digger is a machine used to dig the ground. Yeah, at the moment. So that's how it works. Yeah, we just started normal, simple, but each and every day it grows down. Okay. Marieba. Yeah, look at that view, my viewers. Africa is beautiful. As I always tell you, Africa is beautiful. Look at that view. Very nice. So yeah, I am in a mining site in my village. So I want to show you some 2-3 the proceeding, how things are going. I know that you have been watching this content since I started it, because the processing of gold, everything, how it go, how it's move. So today I've just wanted to give you an update on things, how things are growing. I'm seeing these companies growing very big each and every day. We upgrade to a new machine. Yeah, I'm seeing another one. My cousins have bought. They are trying to install it. So after that, I'm going to take you to the site where the previous day the machine was also installed, and it is now working. So this is another new one. I will want you to see how it is installed. Yeah, so this is a new machine using water. If you get a drying water, you put it, you're drying soil, whether dry or wet, you can put it in this dora, then it will be poured. I'm going to show you the other one which I showed you last time, and you will watch it. Yeah, I told you this is the previous processing method which we were using, but now we are upgrading from this method. We are going to the direct to the dora, put it inside there, and it's come assigned. So this is the previous method we were using, but now it's outgrown. We are going to a new method whereby we shall be just putting a drying water in it, and it will go do everything together. and I'll continue showing you my people. It's lunchtime, kids are coming from school. I'm telling them to go eat, go back to school. Mnarudi shule, udoke school. Huh? Udoke school. Udoke. Yeah, they are speaking vernacular. They're telling me they're not going back to school. They're just going at home. Yeah, look at them. Say my hi. Hi. Hiya, bye. See you. Yeah, if you check my videos, in the previous video I was showing you this is the machine which was installed some months ago. They are working good, they are doing good, they are hardworking. You see, everything is going on here, but there is a lot of noise. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. Yeah. This is the site. I hope you have been watching it each and every day. Yeah, this machine makes a lot of noise. I thought that's the reason why you want to get it. So, you see the other machine there, you put it dry and you put it there. But the new machine which has come here, just take it from there, from the ground, from the underground, and put it inside the machine. Yeah, this is the way it's pouring it. So this is another one, the one which I was telling you, it is just moving like a dust. Just before it's going to put in another process. Yeah, in our side there are some sheep here grazing. Very beautiful, they're getting food. Yeah, but they are not that smart elsewise like the other one. But this for my neighbor. Yeah, look at them. Doing great. Joy! Hey, honor content! So I hope I'm planning, this is the only thing I don't have in my farm, but I'm planning to buy some. At the end of this year, I hope I'm going to have some. So wait and see mine. Yeah, Joy, can you introduce yourself? Let's go to the other side. Here there is a lot of noise. Yeah, there was a lot of noise. So Joy, you can introduce yourself. Tell them whom you are, your channel.
So morning, afternoon, evening, guys. I'm J Clara, but you can find me on YouTube, CJ the Explorer, and please subscribe, share my videos, check me out, please. And also don't forget to subscribe to Movin's channel. He's my inspirator. And thank you, guys.
Yeah, Joy is pronouncing his YouTube channel very fluently, so I know you can't get it very well, but it's CJ the Explorer. CJ Explorer. Go check it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share the video, please. I'll continue my video shortly. I know that you have been waiting for this content here. I bought the turkey. Yeah, the last time I told you that I'm going to bring new visitors in my farm. So I bought a turkey here. And I hope they will grow big and big and big. Look the way they're small at the moment. Yeah. So, to my viewers, I hope you are waiting to see how big the turkey will be. Yeah, just, as a farmer, if you begin, you are advised to take something small. With the time, if they grow big, you will be having a lot of experience. Yeah, so I just bought two, a girl and a boy, male and female. So we'll see how I'm proceeding. Yeah, new family, welcome to my farm. Yeah, they were with some chickens here. Let's beat them away. So, so now we want I've chased the hens away because they were disturbing them, eating their food. So they must eat growing mash at the moment. Yeah, these are growing mash. Yeah, those are turkey, young turkeys. Yeah, you will watch my videos. You see where I took them from. The big ones, I have pictures with the big ones, the young ones. That farm was very much beautiful. I'll connect the video with this one and you will watch it so far. Yeah. Woo. I want to name these turkeys. Please text, comment, tell me the name, the best name for them. Yeah, we have one is a female, one is a male. Soon I'll be telling you how to look for, you can confirm the male one and the female one. Yeah. Content. Please continue watching my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share. Help me grow in my channel. Yeah, of late I'm on my way to 700s. Please, let's grow together. My name is Movin Smith, Kenya. Yeah. Move the I've not yet removed the goats. Yeah, they're still here. I don't want to remove them because if you remove them early, they will walk and disturb people. So we're waiting to reach 2. That's when I'll remove them. They're still inside the house. Yeah, my friend has visited me here. Yeah, he has come to see my farm, it's goal site. So here they are. Yeah. Zek don't love the camera, but today he must be happy. Yeah, Joy seated here and the friend. Yeah, I welcome them in my farm, the goal site. They have watched everywhere, they have toured. So Joy, you wanted to reintroduce yourself. Oh yeah, Joy. Joy, I want you to story for me. Also, these are public latrine. You can show them the center. There is a center there. Yeah, so at the moment it's almost getting. Can you show them down there? Yeah. Show them. At the moment it's almost falling. Yeah, this day. Imagine those people who are in this center, all of them are coming to this latrine here. This latrine. So, but at the moment, I even told them not to come, they look somewhere, but being that there is nowhere they can go to, they must just come to this place here. So, but it's dangerous. It has started cracking. Very much dangerous. What can we do? But I'm planning if we can get somebody, if we can join our hands together and build it.
So, I'm told we are here at a public toilet. I'm told that this is what serves everyone in this community. There is a small center over there, and this is what they use, and it's very unhygienic, as you can see, and it's also dangerous. It can collapse. It has already started warning out. This is very, very dangerous, and it's unhygienic. Here it contains a lot of diseases, the UTIs, and
ni bing'eyo. Kawuon chi ituwo wewe. Onge jaduong' adwa lomosi. Mai. Mako oguka.
Oguka isha mimi ni tu.
Donge ne mawuoyo kode tie yien kanyo.
Yere go.
Wadhi machiegni.
Ya kwere bi.
Jaduong' ndalo mang'eny.
Okay, this school.
Jaduong' wuon bwana.
Huh? Okay, this school. Idi. Chieng mane? Chieng mane? Nyingi nga? Nyingi nga?
Basante de maber na winjo ni tuo sana. Bed piny. Jaduong' wuon chief bed piny, nyinde mi bed piny. Jaduong' do tegno dwa dhi lielo wiye. Anene kotetni. Sae muri to ber. Nyocha koya. Atibi to dhi chango. Imonyo yath.
Anandala kale tukuni. Ni kadali ni oh mabire kichuba kachani.
Kora romo gi jotuo ariyo yawa. Dong koro chuno ni
Winje. Kachani ya kwala.
Jaduong'. Mi ariyo moro ka. Mami ariyo mi. An wuod chuchu sedekia. Yang alil.
Mawuri chuchu.
Anya kwar nyabu.
Vaja kwar nyabu.
Nyachula Esther.
Akoni.
Nyaparo Esther nyabu.
Ngane msela penyo katolala vajaleni.
Amuok. Amuok to niyo sani en yo Kisumo.
To Kisumo gi omya.
En mana manyo.
Wudu menyo be itu wudu la komai.
An wuod nyagem.
Wudu nyagem. Unaweza kudai. Nyagem konyo mkanisa.
Ano be.
Mamina muoki. Ana dia nyomo yo go ka. Ma kelo nyolo. Muoki to tipo yo ka tedekia.
Ano be. Kora mi ariyo. Gidhi gi wuondi.
Agoiro kamani. Agoiro kamani madu. Ano kumena tubo kani.
Abro biro limi dala.
To benyi biro li dala.
Nabiro to ji ne ng'eny kora wacho ni ma.
Ape. Chiemo no yudo.
An wachiemo maber.
Chiemo ne ng'eny. Ne yang do kade. Ipo ngege mokedi load. Nigi ng'iewo. Agoiro kama. Chai iluongi ni ng'a?
Aluonga ni Movin.
To wuoyi mando mak cha.
Ng'a Victor. Pok oduogo but ochiegni koro duogo. Obro duogo.
Bang'e.
Sawa.
To in dala ka?
Tinde koro ngufu onge, wang' onge madang' ibarago yien. In dang' in ibaro yien.
Nabaro yien mino luo. Ogero ode. Achaka baro yien chupu mane ogero go kanisa.
Ng'at Jakatobi.
Beno chupu.
Erokamano, ikae ngima mapod kapod ingima wuotho.
Gima chipuyo ber.
Owadwa mano puro ber.
Kwa naka nindo. Jana naka vile kwa. Ni kwa dileka. Kwenda kwa. Labda kwa kwa. Ya. Hayo kwa ber. Ba ngido kwa. Agoyo kama wadia ni.
Haya. Abiro limi. In mana dala. Manya kwari.
Kego.
Ndiko. Wuoth gi jaduong' maber sawa. Ang' nong'iew ni gimoro. Sawa, karibu. Sawa, wuon chief aneno kingima.
Anka.
Ambe Wathagore mana matin matin. Nawinjo ni tuo kabisa.
Natuo sahihi.
Abiro ayudi kidhi e osiptal.
Nitera osiptal Migori koni. Ema nodhi pima. Koro kaduogo koro aomo yath arombe ka.
Ibiro chango. Kapod oriti. Ing'eni un kuonge. Koro onge kata ng'a nyiswa weche. Koro wan wadak adaka kata ng'ama biro ywaga ji kotur. Ing'eni mae en morwaga ji kotur. Area ni te ka ng'ato tur en mikelo ne. Sana. Ong'ere weche maber kabisa. Sawa? Koro ma nyathi nyamin mamwa.
Ma nyathi nyamin mamwa. Mama.
Nyamin mamwa big'e iluonge ni Monica notho.
Monica we.
Ing'e nyaka Monica? Mana nyuol gi polis. Kare ing'e gi memory.
Monica ge.
Wago erokamano kingima.
Ngima.
Sawa. Wadhi wabiro romo, wabiro limi kendo.
Kamano.
Sawa. Notho. Obuony be ema nong'e ji. Erokamano. Yeah, you will just bear with me. The video of those two men are not clear, but I was just talking to some old men in our village. One doesn't see, one is sick. They have a lot of problems, so I've just decided to buy them some meals today. I've given them some 200 shillings, which will help them. So my viewers, just bear with me. My camera lady was not catching me very well, but I just wanted to show you and greet them. They have not seen me more than 20 years from now. They are one of members of our village, so just keep on watching. Yeah, thank you my viewers. Continue watching my channel. My name is Marvin Smith Kenya. Share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and everything will be okay. Bye.